friends, in this video we are discussed numerical on VBEL drive. Take an example on VBEL drive. A VBEL drive is used to transmit 38 kilowatt power from a 3-phase induction motor to a centrifugal pump. Speed of motor is 1440 rpm and centrifugal pump is required to be operated at 360 rpm for the motor pulley. Pitch diameter is 225 mm and groove angle is 38 degree. Center distance between the pulley is 1 meter. Coefficient of friction for the belt pulley combination is 0.2 and density of belt material is 0.97 gram per cubic centimeter. Allowable tension in the belt is 800 Newton. Determine first number of belt required and second pitch length of the belt, and third is assume the cross sectional for the belt is shown in the figure, and in this diagram all the dimensions are given. First we are write down the proper given data. Here type of drives is open type V belt. Second, the transmitting power is given. Power is in the kilowatt, means P is equal to 38 into 10 raised to 3 watt. Then N, speed is given, motor, means small n is 1440. Capital N, means centrifugal pump, RPM is given 360 RPM. Then diameter of the pulley is D is equal to 225 mm. The groove angle is given. The groove angle is considered as the 2 into 5, means 2 phi is equal to 38 degree and phi is equal to 19. The coefficient of friction mu is 0.2 and density is given in the gram per cubic centimeter is converted into kg per meter cube, means multiply by the 0.97 into 1000, and maximum torque is given 800 Newton. To find out the belt required, means the value of Z, and second one is the pitch length. Solution. First point is calculate the number of belt required. First we calculate the cross sectional area of the V belt. Area is equal to 1 by 2, 9 into 19 into 15. These all dimensions are given in the diagram. The total area is equal to 210 mm square. Second, the pitch line velocity. Pitch line velocity means driving velocity VB is equal to pi small d small n divided by 60 into 1000. Put all the values and calculate the velocity VB is equal to 16.96 meter per seconds. Then third, centrifugal tension TC. TC is equal to mass into the velocity. Mass is equal to density into the volume. Put all the values. Already cross sectional area is calculated 210, means density into area into the VB square. Put all values and calculate the centrifugal tension. The next one, diameter of the driven pulley, means here consider the speed ratio, because the small n and capital N is given, the value of small d is given, but unknown factor is the capital D. In this equation, speed ratio, calculate the capital D. The capital D value is the 900 mm. The next, calculate the angle of contact. The formula of alpha is equal to sine of inverse capital D minus small d divided by the 2c. All the values are known. Capital D is already calculated 900, small d is the known, and center distance also known. Calculate the value of alpha is equal to 19.72. The alpha is converted into the radian, means the radian value is the 0.3443. After calculate the small theta value, means pi is equal to minus 2 alpha. Put all values and calculate the small theta value. Theta s is equal to 2.4529 radian. The next, calculate the limiting tension. The limited tension is the maximum torque upon limited tension is the tight side upon small side is equal to e raised to mu into theta divided by sin phi. In this equation, we are consider the virtual coefficient of friction, means mu dash is equal to consider mu upon sin phi. Then put all the values and calculate the tight side tension upon slack side tension is equal to the ratio is the 4.512. But in our numerical, the maximum torque is given and already calculate the value of the centrifugal force, means all the values are put in equation and calculate the value of tight tension is equal to 741.40. Take here equation number 1. The next one is the belt tension in tight side due to the frictional efforts. The tight side upon slack side is equal to, ratio is the 4.5, and put the value of equation 1 is in equation number 2 and find out the slack side tension is the 164.3008. The next, calculate the power transmitted capacity of each belt, means power is equal to tight side minus slack side into the velocity. All the values are unknown, means tight side is the 741.40 minus slack side 164.30 into velocity is the 16.97. Then power per belt, the value is the 9787.73 into watt. The unit is watt. The next, calculate the number of belt. The formula of calculating the number of belt required, Z is equal to total power to be transmitted divided by power to be transmitted per each belt. The total power is given 38 into 10 raised to 3 and each power is 9787.73, means the value is the 0.88. Take the is equal to value 4, means in this V belt drive there are required the 4 belt. And second one is the pitch length of the belt. LP is equal to, LP formula is the 2C, C means center distance, plus pi, capital D plus small d divided by 2 plus capital D minus small d square divided by 4C. Put all values and calculate the value of pitch belt length. The LP is equal to 3881.04 in mm. Thank you.